Hi, I'm Matthew from Aster 3D. Today we have something new sharing. After running out of the filament, what we will do with the filament spoons. The spoons are mostly from plastic. It will destroy our environmental ecology if we do not reduce its consuming. What we can do? Say goodbye to this kind of filament. Take the Revolution filament, Aster filament board. As you can see, Aster filament board can be easily disassembled and installed. Here is the sample. It's time for us to do more effort for Earth's mother. Let's make the change.